Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use phone as Gamepad for Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your Smart TV. In the search bar, type Zank Remote Control and install the app. Once installed, go to the settings of your TV. Inside it, select About and press the OK button 7 times on Build option to enable developer options. Now return to Settings and open Developer Options. Scroll to USB Debugging or ADB and enable it. This step is required for the app to work properly. Next, pick up your mobile phone and open the Google Play Store. Search for Zank Remote Control, install the app, and open it. After that, open the Zank app on your Smart TV and allow the required permissions. On your phone, tap the Home button inside the app and choose your TV type, such as Android OS. Once connected, select the Gamepad icon. You can now control your Smart TV and play games using your phone. So that's basically how you can use phone as Gamepad for Smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.